Welcome to the Spellbinders Wax Seal of the Month for May 2024 Tropical High. In the kit, you receive the Landscape Oval Wax Seal and Matcha Wax Beads. Start by melting 3 wax beads in your wax seal warmer. Pour the wax in the shape of an oval and stamp your design. Press down lightly. Use a metallic marker to add gold highlights to the design. Now let's use the seal on a card. Start with a piece of forest cardstock cut to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 and emboss the cardstock using the 3D embossing folder of the month for May 2024. Next, rub Bundled Sage Distress Oxide ink over the raised areas of the cardstock. Die cut 2 of the sealed twine from Mirror Gold cardstock and some foliage using the large die of the month for May 2024 using fern and rainforest cardstock. Trim off the top of the fern using your Spellbinders scissors. Adhere your twine to the front of the embossed panel and wrap around to the back. Secure in place with Best Ever craft tape. Adhere your panel to a side folding card base. Add your foliage using liquid glue and add your seal over the top. Thank you for choosing Spellbinders Club Kits.